Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear viewers, my dear students, today our topic is derivative of different functions. It is very important topic, and it is very important topic for second year mathematics. If we learn the derivative of different functions in which sine, cos, tangent, cotangent, log, e power x, different functions, we can solve the exercises 2.3, 2.4, 2.5 means second chapter of the second year, third chapter of the second year, fourth chapter of second very easily. And similarly in the chapter 5 of the second year, it is integration. Integration is the opposite of derivative. If you learn, we learn the derivative very sequentially, very regularly and perfectly, then integration will be very easy. So we start differentiate or derivative are the same words. Differentiate derivative means some inverse, some changeable values. My dear students, I start derivative of constant. These are the simple formulas of derivation. Derivative of constant is equal to always 0. For example, I give one simple example of every derivation. Derivation of derivative d over dx is equal to 0. d over dx of 5 is equal to 0. Dear boys, we study this derivation like this, derivative with respect to x. If we write d over dy, it is called derivative with respect to y. The denominator derivative of y or x, it is said derivation with respect to x or with respect to y. Derivative with respect to x, with respect to y. Some more formulas. D over dx of x is equal to 1 means the variable x with respect to x derivative is equal to 1. How? Its first proof or real case is as d over dx means dx over dx, after cancellation it comes 1. But when we write the formula d over dx x power n, this is the main formula of the derivation. When power gives, then n comes here and x power n minus 1. N downward dot x power n minus 1, the power of x comes 1 short, 1 less power. Like this, its example is, for example, derivation of derivative of differentiate of all words are same. Differentiate of x power 4. We solve 4 here, downward, x power 4 minus 1, which comes 4x power 3. This is simple derivation. Power downward and power 1 less. My dear students, now we start the derivation of some important trigonometric ratios and vice versa etc. हम चलते जाएंगे इसको बेटा. Here d over dx of sin x is equal to cos x means the derivative of sin x is cos x and derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. I teach you simple method by simple method. Next, C, derivative of tangent x. These are called trigonometric ratios. You have learnt you have studied in first year, 10th class, previous classes. Derivation of tangent x is equal to secant square x. And similarly, come here, derivation of cotangent x. What will be the cotangent x? I will write derivation of the secant x and derivative with respect to x of cosecant x. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios whose derivative is simultaneously is derivation of sin x is cos x minus sin x, derivation of tangent x secant square x, and derivation of cotangent x minus cosecant square x. The relation of tangent is with secant and the relation of cotangent is with cosecant. So, derivation of tangent is secant square x and derivation of cotangent is minus cosecant square. Similarly, derivative of secant x is secant x dot tangent x. Secant x dot tangent x. Secant x itself and extra tangent x. Similarly, cosecant x derivation of cosecant x is equal to minus cosecant x and dot cotangent x. My dear boys, stop here and learn some points. Derivation of cos x minus and derivation of cotangent x negative and derivation of cosecant x is also negative. The trigonometric ratios which starts from C. Here cotangent is from C and cosecant is starts from C. Which trigonometric ratios starts from C, starting words is first alphabet is C, their derivation is negative, minus, and minus. And which are not starts from C, like sine, tangent and secant, these are positive values. So learn this point. And now next derivation, some important derivation of e power x exponential function is equal to e power x. This is only one derivation whose answer is same, derivation is same, no change. But when some power comes, means like this, e power 4x or 5x or any more, then e power 4x and derivation of 4x will be again the power of, the derivation of power will be again, which comes e power 4x here, and the derivation of 4 is 4 here, and derivation of x is 1. Means its derivation, e power 4x derivation will be changed into 4 ones are 4, starts comes in the at the start and e power 4x. It means when the power will be changed, some derivation will be changed. And now d over dx of means the derivative of log x. Log x is equal to 1 over x, and the derivation of x will be also here. This derivation of power or derivation of this angle when comes, similarly here sin x, derivation of cos x and the derivation of d over dx of x should be again. If power change, means here I change the angle, power angle sin 3x, then the sin, the derivative of sin is cos 3x, and d over dx of 3x will be also here, cos 3x, and 3x derivative of x is 1, 3 is constant, 3 at the start, 3 comes at the start, cos 3x. This process we learn in the next exercise. Next exercise questions. I stop my lecture here, and in the next lecture we will teach and we will understand. We learn the next derivatives of which are the sine inverse functions of the sine, cos, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant, inverse function of these trigonometric ratios, and also hyperbolic function of the trigonometric ratios, and then hyperbolic inverses. So next our topic is very important. So stay with me and see the lectures of derivation, and then we will solve these some questions of derivation which use in every class, second year FSC classes, or third year, fourth year BA BSc classes and MSc classes also. So pick the points, learn the points, and see your next lectures. At the last, subscribe my channel, which is Unisyal, for mathematics and some funny mathematics, means some surprise questions, surprise points. As you know, mathematics is the fun. So I will show you some different lectures, but continue my lectures will be derivative of the functions, which are the main topic of the second year. So good luck. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.